One sunny morning, Lily woke up early and stretched her arms. It was going to be a special day. She had planned to go on an adventure with her little brother Max. They were going to explore the old woods behind their house. The woods were full of mystery and stories, and Lily was sure that today would be the day they discovered something amazing. Lily and Max quickly packed a small bag with snacks, a water bottle, and a flashlight. They were ready. They walked out the back door and into the tall grass that led to the woods. The trees were tall and strong, their leaves whispering in the wind. Birds sang high above, and the smell of pine filled the air. Are you sure we should go this deep into the woods? Max asked, holding tightly to Lily's hand. Don't worry, Lily said with a smile. We are just exploring. There's nothing to be afraid of. They walked deeper into the woods, and the path started to disappear beneath their feet. The trees grew closer together, blocking the sunlight. It felt like they were walking through a secret world, far away from everything they know. After a while, they came across an old wooden boat standing alone in the middle of the woods. It looked strange, like it didn't belong there. There was no wall, no house, just the moon. Lily stepped closer and noticed something shining on the ground beside it. It's a key, Max said excitedly, picking it up from the dark. Lily's eyes widened. The key was old and rusty, but it looked like it belonged to something important. She turned the key over in her hand and saw that it had a strange symbol on it, something like a star. It felt warm, as if it had been waiting for them. What do you think this opens? Lily wondered aloud. Maybe the door. Max nodded. Let's see. Lily slowly inserted the key into the lock on the door. The key fit perfectly, and with a turn, the door creaked open. The air on the other side was cool and smelled like fresh earth. As they stepped through, they found themselves in a magical garden. Flowers of every color bloomed around them, and the sound of water trickling from a nearby fountain filled the air. This is amazing, Max shouted, running to touch the flowers. Lily smiled. The garden was more beautiful than she could have ever imagined. But as they explored, she saw something even more surprising, a small, glowing stone laying on a rock in the center of the garden. The stone was bright blue, and it seems to sparkle with magic. Lily reached out and picked it up. The moment she touched it, she felt a strange warmth spread through her fingers. Suddenly, the door behind them closed with a soft thud. Oh, oh, Max said. How do we get back? Lily held the glowing stone tightly. I think this will help us. Let's try using it to open the door again. With the stone in hand, she walked back to the door. To her surprise, the key appeared in the lock once more, and the door opened easily. They stepped back into the woods, the garden fading behind them. I guess the key and the stone were meant for us, Lily said with a smile. Max nodded, his eyes wide with wonder. That was the best adventure ever.